Hi everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to move your picture in Microsoft Word. So first, open Microsoft Word, then go to Insert, and click on Pictures to insert a picture from your computer, or click on Online Pictures to insert a picture from online sources. So let's insert an online picture. Click on Online Pictures, then select a picture. Then click on Insert. Now, click on the picture and go to this icon here and click on it. Then select Behind Text or in front of text. Now you can resize your picture and move it in the page. The second way is to right-click on the picture and go to Wrap Text. Then select Behind Text or in front of text. And now you can move your picture. The third way is to click on the picture and go to Format under Picture Tools. Then go to Wrap Text and select in front of text or behind text. And again, you can move your picture now. Or right-click on it, then go to Size and Position. And in the layout, select or go to the Text Wrapping tab. Then select Behind Text or in front of text. Then click on OK. And that's it. Now if you type a text, you can see here that the picture is on top of the text, and if you select Behind Text, the picture goes behind the text. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.